guys.
Welcome back to our channel once again with Elle and Eli to unbox this. Let's create chocolate creation kit. So for kids who are fan of creating chocolates or love chocolates, here's the best gift for you. So let's unbox it. Elle and Eli is going to unbox this beautiful toy made by Let's Create. So I think this is not the only toy that they make based from what we heard. So as you can see guys, the box, it shows what items are going to be included in this chocolate creation kit. So since it's a chocolate creation kit, it has this workstation, chocolate workstation, all right, and of course the molder, okay, and some mixing tool and measuring
lolly sticks,
cups or
lolly sticks, ribbon, piping bag.
Okay,
There's a piping
so
bag and a molder. Another molder.
there's another molder.
This is a
That is a
microwavable bowl.
microwavable bowl.
So these are the accessories.
So these are the accessories. It's empty now. So as it says here, it has chocolate workstation, microwavable bowl, mixing tool, measuring cup,
What is that?
molders, wrapping sheets, gift bags, recipe cards, piping bag, mini cupcake cases, and lolly sticks, guys. So these are all the items, and as like what we've said, it's made by Let's Create, a chocolate creation kit. Alright. So again, thanks for watching. Till our next vlog.
Just add chocolate.
Alright. I think Elle and Ella is gonna make a chocolate now. Alright. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.